Hey, we are back. We are going to go ahead and try out example 4, combining like terms to solve algebraic equations. Awesome, now we have equal signs. Okay, so when we have something like this, and there's the equal sign, I'm going to draw a line. This represents two sides of the equation, right? The left side and the right side. So before we start moving stuff back and forth, what we want to make sure is that on the left side, everything on the equation is simplified, and on the right side, everything on the equation is simplified. So when I look at this problem, what I see on the left side is I see that there's an x here, and there's also a positive 3x. So what that means is I need to combine those like terms. X plus 3x, that's like 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, so it's 4x equals, and then I'm looking at the right side of the equation. Is everything simplified? Yes, it is. Now, it is just time for me to isolate x. Okay, there's a 4. How's the 4 related to x? Through multiplication. So I need to do the inverse operation, which is, yes, division. So I'm going to divide both sides by 4. And what I get, 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times x is x. And then 48 divided by 4. Well, 4 goes into 4 one time, and 4 goes into 8 two times. So x equals 12. Woohoo, that's it. All right, now it's time for our favorite part, to check our equation by hand. We love to do it. Oh, pause, Dragon, it's not time for you. But you're right, we need to check. We need to check this equation by hand. So the first thing we're going to do is, you are correct, write the original equation, your favorite thing to do. Okay, so write it, the original equation, every single time. And then we're going to input 12 in for x. So here's an x, we input 12, plus 3, there's another x, we input 12, equals 48. And see how my equal signs are all lined up? Hopefully it will stay like that. Okay, then we just do order of operations. So here we go. We're going to simplify on this side of the equation. There's multiplication. 3 times 12 is 36 plus 12 equals 48. And is this true? I don't know. We're trying to figure all this out. We're trying to see if it's true. And 12 plus 36 is 48. Yes, this is true. Those are equivalent. They're equal. So what does this mean? What does this mean? What does this mean? What does this mean? This means that this is true. And yes, x equals 12 is the solution. Oh, it's a comma. To the equation. Oh, that's not that. X plus 3x equals 48. All right. Okay. Now it is your time. Pause, Dragon, where are you? Okay, so you guys need to go ahead and work out, check it out, example number 4. Okay, it is now time for Pause, Dragon. Pause your video and come back to see if you did it right. Make sure you got to check your answer by hand too. All right, see you in a bit. Bye. Okay, we are back. Let's solve this. 7c minus c equals 102. Okay, we are going to look at this equation. The left side, is there anything we can simplify? I see a 7c here, and I also see a negative c there. Okay, so I need to combine those. 7c minus c is, well, same thing as 7 minus 1, which is 6c equals, anything I can combine over here? No, that is simplified, 102. Perfect. Well, got to get c by itself. It's there's a 6. It's related to c through multiplication, so inverse operation would be division, dividing both sides by 6. And then we need to simplify this. Okay, put it in lowest terms. What goes into both of these? Well, does 6 go into them? Let's see if 6. What are the divisibility rules? Okay, let me think. If it's divisible by 6, that means it's divisible by 2 and it's divisible by 3. Okay, so is 102 divisible by 2? Yes, it's even. All right, is it divisible by 3? Well, let's add it up. 1 plus 0 plus 2 is 3, and 3 is divisible by 3, so it is divisible by 3. So since this is divisible by 2 and 3, we know it's divisible by 6. So I just need to figure out how many times 6 goes into 102 divided by 6. Okay, 6 goes into 10. 1 times 6 is that. We're doing this. There's 4 and 2, and then 6 goes into 42. 7 times 6 is 42. No remainder. We did a great job. Okay, so there you go. It goes in 17 times. C equals 17. Okay, I think we're about done. No, we're not. We have to check this. So we're going to check this by hand. Write the original equation right here. We're sticking in 17 everywhere we see a C, and there's another one, so we got to stick in 17 again. 102. And then we have 7 times 17. Well, I don't know what that is off the top of my head, so I'm going to go over here to my little scratch paper. And I have 7 times 7, which is 49. Write the 9, carry the 4. 7 times 1, 7 plus 4, 11. Okay, it's 119. 19 minus 17 is 102. Okay. Now, 119 minus 17, I am not just going to write 102 because 102 is written over there. That would be cheating. I'm actually going to do minus 17 here, and 9 minus 7 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. And it does indeed equal 102. So 102 equals 102. Oh, that's a 0. 102, which means what? It's a true statement, which means yes. C equals 17, the number we stuck in there, C equals 17 is the solution to the equation. My handwriting is really, really lovely. I know you guys love it. 7C minus C equals 102. Woo! We did it. All right. You guys have a wonderful night. Talk to you later, or day, or whenever you're watching this. I will see you soon. Bye.